As the dawn breaks, a gentle sun graces a flourishing garden, painting a vibrant Eden. Upon the serene landscape, a divine message appears. Heralds of the kingdom of kind man, we the Elohim rule to serve. The garden awakens with the first light, promising a day of serene rule and gentle service. The radiant glow of dawn illuminates the garden, revealing a promise of benevolent stewardship and divine purpose. Whispers of the Elohim echo through the garden, an invitation to embrace kindness and service. The garden's tranquil beauty reflects the Elohim's gentle rule, a testament to their commitment to serve. In this Eden, the Elohim's decree resonates, to govern with kindness and uplift through service. The sun's embrace brings forth a symphony of life, mirroring the Elohim's mission to nurture and guide. Each ray of sunlight whispers the Elohim's pledge, to lead with compassion and serve with grace. The vibrant garden stands as a beacon, a testament to the Elohim's devotion to a kingdom founded on kindness. From this Eden of Elohim, a call to action, to rule by serving, to lead with kindness. The Elohim's message echoes through the garden. In service lies true dominion, in kindness, true strength. A symphony of compassion unfolds as people from all walks of life extend hands of kindness, echoing the divine call to serve and share love. In sun-drenched streets, a young girl helps an elderly woman cross, her small hand a beacon of hope and support. Amidst the bustle of a marketplace, a vendor shares his bounty of fresh produce, a gesture of abundance and generosity. In the quiet of a park, friends embrace, their hug a silent testament to the strength of human connection. A student tutor patiently explains a concept to a peer, sharing knowledge with empathy and understanding. A volunteer serves a warm meal at a homeless shelter, offering nourishment and dignity to those in need. A family plants a tree together, symbolizing growth, unity, and a shared commitment to a greener future. A musician plays for a crowd, filling the air with melodies that uplift and unite hearts. A group of neighbors cleans up a park, transforming a neglected space into a vibrant community hub. A child shares a toy with a friend, embodying innocence, generosity, and the simple joy of giving. A doctor comforts a patient, offering reassurance and hope in a moment of vulnerability. A firefighter rescues a cat from a tree, demonstrating courage, compassion, and service beyond duty. A community comes together to build a house, embodying collaboration, solidarity, and the power of collective action. Resonates. As Elohim, we rule not to be served, but to serve, sharing our overflowing love. Within the animation studio, animated visuals of the fruits of the Spirit bloom like flowers, each petal radiating with love, joy, and peace. A voice echoes through the studio narrating, "The Holy Spirit fills us with the fruits of the Spirit, guiding us to love one another as Jesus loved us." Love blossoms as a radiant rose, its petals unfurling with tender grace, epitomizing the boundless affection of the Holy Spirit. Joy erupts as a sunflower, its vibrant yellow face turned towards the light, symbolizing the radiant happiness bestowed by the divine. Peace unfurls as a serene lily, its pure white petals exuding tranquility, reflecting the calm presence of the Holy Spirit. Patience blooms as a sturdy oak, its roots running deep, embodying the enduring strength and unwavering resolve gifted by the Spirit. Kindness blossoms as a gentle daisy, its simple beauty radiating warmth and compassion, reflecting the Spirit's boundless empathy. Goodness flourishes as a fruitful apple tree, its branches laden with ripe fruit, symbolizing the abundant blessings bestowed by the divine. Faithfulness unfurls as a steadfast evergreen, its unwavering presence symbolizing the enduring loyalty and commitment inspired by the Spirit. Gentleness blossoms as a delicate violet, its soft petals exuding tenderness and grace, reflecting the Spirit's gentle touch. Self-control emerges as a disciplined vineyard, its vines carefully pruned and cultivated, embodying the Spirit's guidance towards temperance and restraint. The Holy Spirit fills us with these fruits, guiding us to love one another as Jesus loved us, painting a vibrant tapestry of compassion and grace. The animation studio transforms into a sanctuary of light, each bloom echoing with the promise of divine love and transformation. A breathtaking time-lapse unveils a desolate landscape morphing into a vibrant, fertile Eden. In a symphony of unity, people from every corner of the world join hands, creating circles radiating joy and harmony. The sun, a beacon of hope, bathes their faces in golden light, celebrating the dawn of a new era. A voice echoes through the revitalized world, proclaiming, "We the people transform this world into the Eden of Elohim's holograms." Children laugh and play in newly formed meadows, their innocence mirroring the world's rebirth. Elders, their eyes filled with wisdom, watch over the blossoming utopia, witnessing the fulfillment of ancient dreams. Rivers of crystal-clear water flow through the land, symbolizing the cleansing and renewal of spirit. The air is filled with the sweet fragrance of blooming flowers, a testament to the world's vibrant transformation. Animals roam freely, their natural habitats restored, a symbol of ecological harmony. The communities gather in shared spaces, building a society founded on peace, love, and mutual respect. The sun sets, casting a warm, golden glow over the Eden, painting a masterpiece of hope and unity. Stars emerge in the night sky, twinkling like diamonds, celebrating the world's radiant rebirth. The wind whispers through the trees, carrying the message of transformation to every corner of the earth. The world stands as a testament to the power of unity, a beacon of hope for generations to come. In the radiant throne room, the proclamation of the Kingdom of Elohim on June 11, 2025, illuminates the dawn of a new era. The ethereal voice resonates, beckoning all to proclaim the Kingdom of Elohim, where the divine equation God equals love reigns supreme. The date, June 11, 2025, shimmers in the light, an invitation to a world transformed by divine love and justice. In a call to unity, the voice echoes, "Join us on June 11, 2025, to proclaim the Kingdom of Elohim, where God love rules." The throne room pulses with anticipation, heralding the arrival of a kingdom where love is the ultimate law. The promise of Elohim's kingdom, where God and love are one, reverberates through the illuminated chamber. The throne, bathed in celestial light, awaits the dawn of an era defined by divine love and justice. The invitation hangs in the air, a beacon of hope for a world yearning for divine grace and unity. The throne's radiant glow intensifies, signaling the imminent arrival of Elohim's kingdom of love and light. The voice whispers of a world reborn, where the divine equation of love conquers all. The date, June 11, 2025, shines like a guiding star, leading humanity towards a new destiny. The promise of Elohim's reign echoes in the hearts of all who seek love, justice, and divine grace. In a brightly lit studio, professional cameras stand ready, poised to capture a transformative message. The begins, heralding a vision of divine transformation set to unfold on April 5, 2025. A bold proclamation declares humanity as Elohim, holograms of Jesus, destined to rule and serve through overflowing love. Guided by the commandment to love one another, a movement emerges, dedicated to transforming Earth into an Eden of divine holograms. An invitation extends to embrace the Earth in Elohim's love on May 7, 2025, promising a spiritual awakening. The vision culminates on June 11, 2025, with a call to create a new universe of love, where God is synonymous with love. A powerful declaration echoes, "Together, we'll make all great again, heaven on earth, uniting humanity in a shared divine purpose." The studio setting emphasizes the professional, thoughtful nature of this message. Hints of the Eden they wish to create are shown through visual representations of nature and love. The narrator's passion builds as they speak about the power of humanity as Elohim. The importance of love as the guiding principle for this movement is visually reinforced. The promise of a new universe of love is depicted through abstract visual effects. The message concludes with a call to action, urging viewers to join the movement and create heaven on earth. As the scene fades, the visual and auditory echoes of love linger, inviting reflection and anticipation. Across the world, acts of love ripple outward, inviting all to join the transformation. The invitation echoes in every corner of the earth. Share your acts of love with Kingdom of Elohim and join the transformation. The hashtag becomes a beacon, calling forth stories of compassion from every corner of the globe. In every act of love, a spark of transformation ignites, illuminating the path to a brighter future. The world transforms, one act of love at a time. Join the movement and let your love be the catalyst for change. Together, we can build a world where love reigns supreme. The vision unfolds, a world transformed by love, compassion, and unity. The invitation lingers, beckoning all to embrace the path of love and transformation. The journey continues, fueled by the unwavering power of love. The hashtag echoes, a reminder that every act of love counts. The transformation unfolds, revealing the boundless potential of a world united by love. In every heart, the seeds of love are sown, awaiting the touch of compassion to blossom and transform. The kingdom of love expands, embracing all who dare to believe in the power of transformation.